Okay guys, so this is my friend and I cannot comment to his content. Wait. Alibaba TikTok live 12 minutes if you want to continue, go to TikTok. Wait, he has a TikTok channel. Yo. Nah. No. Oh, wait. Yo, I can finally comment. So, finally, bro. I'll add you, bro. Okay, so what is his new account? Let's see. What is bro's new account? Let's see. Okay, Kyler Pogi 25. Okay, bro, I'll add you. I'll add you, bro. I'll add you. Kyler Pogi 25. Kyler Pogi 25. Okay, bro. Bro, which here? Nigga? Oh, this one. Use star code Polix to support me. Okay. Polix. I'll use it. Okay, so let me... Bro has 1K friends. How are you gonna add me, bro? Okay, let's just add you. Bro has the 1K friends. Okay, so let's just friend you. Add. Okay. Friend request sent. Sorry I played reply, bro. Okay, bye. Bye, bro.